All right, number 4. Okay, a lot to unpack with this. It says the same digits are used for the expressions 3 to the power of 4 and 4 to the power of 3. Explain how to compare the values of the expressions. So I do it a couple different ways. One thing you could do is write it in expanded form. So I have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 because 3 to the power of 4 is the same thing as saying 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. Okay, and then 4 to the power of 3, 4 multiplied by itself 3 times. Now, one thing we know about exponents and powers is the more you multiply it, the higher the exponent, generally the greater the value will be, in this case, the product. However, you must be cognizant, aware of that base right here. And for these particular, they're right next to each other. Okay, and so in this case, if I'm writing in expanded form, I would guess that 3 to the power of 4 is greater than 4 to the power of 3. Now again, because they're right here next to each other, the base is not a 1, because we know that 1 to the power of anything is 1, and anything to the power of 0 is itself, right? So we're looking at two numbers, not 1 and not 0, that are close to each other. Now, if you weren't sure again, you could say, well, I'm gonna multiply it. And so I believe I did that earlier. So I have 3 to the power of 4, and I got 81. And I'm gonna go for it. 4 to the power of 4, no, of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. So, and so when I say explaining, you could say write in expanded form and solve. The best way to compare is to simplify or solve. And that is it.